Hello everyone, today Team 12 is here to present structure concept of our timber high-end and high-rise apartment design. The following slides includes the full name of our team members. Based on the background research, the following three timber structures are taken as our reference, which are the world's tallest timber building, which is this, Brisbane Infinity Tower and Hilton, respectively. Our design would be higher than the world's tallest timber building. Therefore, the initial dimension of the beams, columns, slabs of the design will be based on this building. Regarding to Brisbane Infinity Tower, it has been found out that the cylindrical structure has a great effect on reducing the impact of wind load, especially for tall buildings. For highly symmetric structure, the difference between the worst load cases caused by wind load are minimized. However, for cylindrical structure, timber beams structure performance is too complicated to analysis. Hence, a hexagon floor plan which is also highly symmetric would be introduced to our design. Also, a hollow structure would be performed in our design by referring to Hilton structure. This structure has an advantage on saving materials and expand the blueprint at the same time. As a result, it would help the whole structure to be more stable while against the wind load, because the second moment area of the blueprint is increased substantially with the same floor area. Now, let's go through the general materials that would be used in our design. It is well known that the GL timber has great fire resistance, strong and pliable, and also cost efficient. On the other hand, soft timber has been found out with the following beneficial characters, such as lighter weight, good dimensional stability, and lesser tendency to sag or bend. To sum all of the benefits mentioned above, GL18 timber of local pine will be used to construct the beam and the column, which makes our design has a very low carbon blueprint due to the load-bearing structure in the glue lamp. As we can see in the video, the building has 27 stories and has 310 units. Each floor is divided into 12 units, whose area of structure is around 100 meters squares. Ground floor height is 8 meters high for receptional and other functional use, and all other floor is 3.3 height. Lifts and stairs are installed clinging to the two fronting interior faces of the hexagon building. The capacity of the building fulfills the requirement of the modern high-rise apartment. The beam and the slab layout is shown here. In this layout, the tributary area of the slab and the beam are minimized with the triangular slab system, and it fits well to the hexagon blueprint. The slab is 100 mm thick, and the beam's cross-section is 200 × 400 considering the worst combination load cases are permanent load and imposed load. Columns at the hexagon corner are 1000 × 1000 considering the worst load cases as the permanent load, the imposed load, and the wind load. The column beam system are considered as truss systems so that the lateral load contributes to the compression force on the column with no bending. All other columns are 600 × 600 considering the permanent load and the imposed load only. All 6 sides are braced to stand the lateral force, and the critical brace at the ground floor is calculated as 800 × 800. In order to improve the general fire design, the following implementations has been made to our design, which is summarized below. 2 fire escape staircases will be installed on 2 sides of building from the highest level to the ground level. Each floor of the building is sprinkled at each face of the hexagon. Large glue laminate column will be designed to the dimension so that it can be self-extinguished, preventing the building from collapsing. Steel plates and the dowels in the connections are embedded deep in the timber. And this is it. Thank you for watching.